this one, believe it or not, was built all the way back in 1893. And it was moved to this location in 1864. They started that pumping station tunnel, put a team of guys there. They started digging down until they got to about the same depth as the first team of guys. And then they started digging across towards each other, and they met up in 1866, and they were only 7 inches off from the lock. And so just basically acts as a sort of water elevator. Okay, so the lake is naturally higher now because we reversed it. It used to be higher river going to lower lake. Now it's higher lake going to lower river. The interior is referring to its local context. You have concrete in the floors, like sidewalks. You have steel girders that here is a picture of a woman on one of my tours, my Look Up, Look Down tour. This is on that very first setback that just about matches the height of the Wrigley building. And she was taking a picture of reflections. And again, you see all these beautiful 1920s era buildings right at eye level. And then look at this. How cool is this? There's trees up there. So when I was working for this boat tour company, because we were in the building, when I would go on breaks, I actually had the opportunity to go up into this area. And I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. And I can even turn it so that we can go right in front. This is the inspiration for the Tribune Tower. Okay, it's not just French cathedral style. I don't even know what that. I'm going to take our little guy and set him back down here so that I can show you. We've barely entered the main branch of the river, and you see there is just so much that you can get into if you allow yourself to get off of the boat and go inside some places.
Just real quick about washing the building. The company I worked for when I was in college washed the building.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell us about it. Tell us about it.
Buckets of water with hand brushes and buckets of muriatic acid mixed, diluted out.
Here. And she's talking about this building over here that we talked a little bit about last Saturday. If I do 3D and then turn it, you can really get a sense of this beautiful shape.